Today we're making the king of comfort foods, a simple, crispy, gooey grilled cheese sandwich. Ingredients are listed in the description, so you can follow along. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese American, cheddar, or your fave. 2 tablespoons butter. Step 1. Butter the bread. Take your bread and spread butter on one side of each slice. Don't be shy, butter makes it golden and crisp. Step 2. Add the cheese. Place cheese between the unbuttered sides of the bread. It's like a warm hug waiting to happen. Step 3. Grill it. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Place the sandwich down, buttered side out, and cook until it's golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Flip once and let that cheese melt into gooey perfection. Step for a serve. Slice it in half for maximum cheese pull action and serve it hot. Boom, the simplest, most satisfying snack you'll ever make, outrow. And that's it, a grilled cheese sandwich that's crispy, gooey, and ready in minutes. Check the description for the ingredient list and hit like if you're hungry now.